All right, we're at GrillGrates today. Most of you guys are using GrillGrates out there. Now you get to find out where they're from. We're in Cartersville, Georgia. This is GrillGrates headquarters worldwide. We're gonna come in there and check out the place. This is the office here. Got the ball here. We've got just a Weber here. That's Brian's favorite red Weber. Boy, this is the different units they make. So these are all different sizes. We're actually, let's peek in and see what's going on in the meeting room. Oh, we caught it. Good day. Top secret stuff going on.
So there are some stores. And we've knocked down one.
GrillGrates.
We're actually working.
You might hit that wall of fame over there. They've got some different people on this wall, but I know you guys recognize a lot of these people here. You probably know that guy. You've seen him. You got Load Casing. Man, Darren Worth. Meathead. There's just a who's who of barbecue other than me. That's why I'm on the very bottom. Come on back here. We'll take you into the warehouse. I promise I won't get you lost in this place. All right, we're here in the back now. This is Philip. He is in shipping and receiving. When you place your order, the lady running back there, just run away because she knows I'm going to talk to her. She'll take your order and then it comes back here to Philip. You'll pull up your invoice, and these are all different orders that are about to go out. They store everything once it's packaged back here. But Philip, you're the man in shipping and receiving.
Yeah, sometimes.
Sometimes?
Yes, sir.
Is it a challenge sometimes?
Yeah, it can be. Only because there's so much to know. A lot of grates, a lot of different grates going out, a lot of different grills.
How many different SKUs do you carry here?
I can't even say that. We're always adding. I would say close up to at least 80 to 100 more.
Wow,
Yeah,
that's a lot of them. Can you tell me where your 22-inch Webers are?
down here on the end, bottom shelf. Yep.
How about the PK?
PK is right before it. It's about 3 rows in front of us.
What about the new Ninja Cooker thing?
Over here.
Instant Pot. Over
Over
there?
there? Yes, sir.
All right, let's go check out these. That's your newest product.
Oh, the sear and sizzle.
Sear and Sizzle. Do you have those? This is the new product here.
There you go.
That's it, eh?
That's it.
No holes in the bottom of this one.
Exactly, and the flavor stays.
I like that. You can actually cook in an Instant Pot. This gives new meaning to any fire or heat source, that's for sure. We've got stacks of 20 inches right here. They're everywhere. This is 15 inches. That's for a big green egg. Let's see. Weber XL. These are the ones I need right now. Need another one of these for my PK. And 2 of these. All right. So now you know where these things come from. If she runs away, that's who you're going to talk to on the phone over there when you call. But just want to show you what was in the warehouse at GrillGrates. Everyone talks about them, uses them, but I don't think many people have been back here. So give them a call. Order a set of GrillGrates. You won't regret it. I have them on every grill I own. Man, everywhere you look, they've got GrillGrates. No matter what size grill, give them a call. They've got one to fit your grill.